Exercise 41, question number 7. Rearrange this one for B. So I'm going to go through this problem and then I'm going to give you an extension to have a go at. I'm going to ask you to rearrange the same formula for A, following almost the same steps. So what are we going to do here? Well, I want to isolate B, and it's inside a square root symbol first of all. So the first step is to square both sides to get rid of that square root symbol. And then you've got the same sort of problems as we had before. I want to multiply both sides by the term A minus 2B here to get rid of that. And then I want to multiply both sides by Q to get rid of that term there. So same sort of procedure as we looked at in the other problems, but we've got to square everything first. So see if you can do it for yourself, and I'll put the solution below. So squaring both sides, I'm going to get P squared over Q squared equals A plus 2B over A minus 2B. You could, of course, have written P over Q all squared if you're squaring both sides, but remember, a fraction squared is the same as the top bit squared over the bottom bit squared. And that's the way to write it, because I want to now multiply both sides by the Q squared to get rid of that term. So multiplying both sides by Q squared, I get P squared equals A plus 2B times Q squared all over A minus 2B. Now multiplying both sides by A minus 2B, I get P squared A minus 2B equals Q squared A plus 2B. And of course, with practice, you can go straight from there to there, because effectively Q squared underneath on the left hand side goes to the top on the right, and A minus 2B on the right hand side goes to the top on the left, which is effectively, so you can do that, but beware about making that step, because it doesn't always work. So now multiply out the brackets and collect terms involving B, which is where I have to isolate. So multiplying out, P squared times A, or AP squared, minus 2B P squared equals AQ squared plus 2B cubed squared, using the convention of numbers first and then letters in alphabetical order. So remember, I'm trying to isolate B, so I'm going to get all terms involving B on the same side. So B is positive over here. So let's, if I were to add 2B P squared to both sides, I'd have a positive answer. So that's good. So that means we're going to bring the AQ squared, subtract AQ squared from both sides to bring it over to the left. So I'm going to get AP squared minus AQ squared equals 2B cubed squared plus 2B P squared. So now I can factorize, actually I can factorize both sides. I've got A into P minus Q squared equals 2B into Q squared plus P squared. You remember I'm after B, so I divide both sides by 2Q squared plus P squared. So B turns out to be A P minus Q squared all over 2 Q squared plus P squared, or P squared plus Q squared. And that will be the answer in the text. Now, have a go at this one, the same formula, but rearranged for A. Almost the same steps that we've just been through, so try it for yourself, and the answer you get at the end is this. A equals 2B into P squared plus Q squared over P squared minus Q squared.